Hi, this is Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious, and family, welcome back. I am so glad you decided to click on this video today. And if this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Now you can become a part of the Precious family. So once you finish watching this video, just click on the subscribe button if you like it. And you too can become a part of the Precious family. And guys, once you subscribe, go ahead on and leave me a comment to let me know that you have subscribed to the channel, because I would love to welcome you, because if you don't comment, I don't know that you have subscribed. So I don't want to leave out my family, okay? Okay guys, I was getting ready to take down the items in my bathroom, so I said, well, before I take it down, I never actually showed this small guest bathroom, so today you'll get a chance to see it. And I did a lot of the DIYs in here, so if you want to see what I did, just keep watching. Let's start with this mirror right here. Okay, this mirror, I went on and I did a DIY on it because I could not find the size mirror to replace this. So as you can see, I got the diamond wrap going all the way around this mirror. Okay, so I'm going to use this for right now until I can find the type of mirror that I want. Okay, and this countertop here, my husband, he installed this new countertop and the new sink, and I did the DIY on the mirror. I put the bling bling around it. This is just my little mirror tray to hold my bath accessory. I DIY'd this relax sign, painted it gold, and I DIY'd this little jar here to hold my Q-tips. And also these two items here was DIY. I added the little candle stem on it, on both of them, and I put the bling wrap around both of them as well. And also on this here, my sweet neighbor Gloria, she knew that I was doing my bath in the purple family, so she went out and she purchased these roses here. She purchased me 4 of these. Okay, and I think they are so beautiful. Thank you, Gloria. She's so sweet. She makes sure that when I'm sick, she makes sure that I'm eating well. And I appreciate that. She rocks. And this candle here, I got that there to top it off. I purchased it because of the purple. Now on this side here, I did me another mirror tray, and I also did this little jar here. It was a candle in it, and I just went on and used the candle up, and I put some bling wrap around it. And here are my accessories, and this is just that soap dish. And here's another piece that I DIY'd, this floral arrangement here. Okay, set that back there. Okay, and right here, here's another piece that was given to me. Guys, someone is always giving me the items to use in my videos. So Keisha Richardson and her family, they knew I was doing purple, so they went and picked up this and gave it to me, the Girl Boss. And I decided to place that right there. And here's another piece I did. I did all 3 of these, the tray and the 2 candle holders there. And I put the bling wrap around it. And that's what I have right there. Now these little blossom here, they do light up. I just don't have them on, so I just put those in there. She gave those to me. Okay, and the towels here. Here's another little piece that I DIY'd. I can use these for a tie back for my curtains or my towels. And so my husband, he put the towel bars up for me. And first we had these here up. And so he said just let them stay. And so I did, because I didn't want to go back and try to take it down. So this is what we have right here. Okay, these two shelves here, they was DIY. They was a wood grain, and I painted them white. And these two pieces right here, that was a DIY. And also right here is another DIY that I just used up the candle, and I made a arrangement here. Okay, on the top shelf, I just got a purple candle, and here is like a little jewelry box that my son purchased me, a purple necklace, earrings, and a bracelet for Mother's Day. And I got 2 of these boxes here, so I thought they was cute, so I decided to just keep them. And here's a floral arrangement that I purchased from Burlington. So here is my DIY. All 3 of these pieces are DIY. I just spray painted this wood here, silver, and I also just spray painted this little piece here, metallic gold. And right here, this is where I have my other tie back, and I DIY'd this as well with the little rose on the end of it. And of course, I just have my floor mats down here. And guys, my husband, he did the flooring. So he installed the floors. And I think he did a wonderful job. And right here is my bath mat in the plum. And also, I got this little piece here stuck right there. My husband, he installed my surround for my tub, and also he installed the bathtub. And he's going to install my bathtub door soon. Okay. And he also put up my crown molding. Went all the way around here. And he put up my outlet plates. Here go another little 3-piece DIY I did on the mirror. I added the crushed glass around there and the bling wrap. Okay, my shower curtains. Guys, I had seen some similar to these on Amazon, and I believe they was like maybe $55 to $60. But I had some bling wrap on hand, and I figured I'm gonna try to duplicate this, and so I went on and I added my bling wrap to these curtains here. And I think they turned out similar to the one that was on Amazon. So they turned out lovely. And we are done with the little small guest bathroom. One of my guest bathrooms. Okay. So guys, I'm just going to give you a pan around. guys, thank you for watching. And I will be coming up with my video on just my DIYs for 2021. I'm going to attempt to show you the DIYs that I did for year 2021, so stay tuned. And so guys, I appreciate you so much, and I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future, because your future looks good on you. Bye-bye.